Welcome to our show here at the Clovis Fest. How's everyone doing out there? Thank you so much for all your claps, your cheers for our dancers. We're going to bring up these beautiful babies right here. If you have a baby on the stage or if you're watching our show, let's give these girls a round of applause. We have Yesenia, Emma, Ariana, and Sophia. These are only 4 of their class that are performing today. They have their class called the Aulale class. Aulale translates to the word beautiful in the language Samoan. So let's give it up for our keiki class with their Otea Pahere. Imua. Every Thursday at 5:30. Aren't they so cute? All right, they're gonna share with you their Otea Hitoto. Here we go, boys. Thank you, boys. Give it up for your Kuma class. This is our second show of the day. We're so proud of those kids for staying in the heat and dancing. They got ice cream in between shows, so well done, babies. All right, we're gonna take you to the beautiful islands of Samoa. This beautiful dance is called Angimaya. It is a siva with both our boys and our girls. These are both our advanced dancers and our intermediate. You'll notice a difference in this dance but between the others is that they'll be using more hand movements, less hip movements. The boys will get a little bit more fun. So let's take you to the islands of Samoa. Choo!
Manatua solo poema Otala umalea lufata o abatu Vali umafoine o manatu Enea maise is nawa Angimaya is matamisa mokori atua ilo alupalinei La upele wale mafai la ufati watatata lelei Wamisia oe tawawina matela uva mboe Tati tali tonu elu wafungadi eruyo Tati tali tonu elu wafungadi eruyo Uwasili oyele wangongi mai Atumai Masau ane Ilo ila omaro atutende Salamaya us La upese Yangi maya yesa matangi Samopoli atua ilo alupake La upele wale mafai la ufatu wanatata lelei Wamisia oe tawawina matela ufa mokoe Tati tali tonu elu wahungadi eruyoe Tati tali tonu elu wahungadi eruyoe Tati tali tonu elu wahungadi eruyoe
Let's give it up for our dancers. Share with you there, Siva. Thank you for sharing that with us. Again, that came from the beautiful island of Samoa. Take you back to the island of Tahiti. Coming to the stage, their class is called the Whenua class. It's a combination between beginner and intermediate dancers. Some of these dancers have been dancing for 5+ years and others for only a year. So we're so excited to share with you their Ahuroa. This is a love song sung together by a brother and sister, Ofaloto and Kuma. Here we go.
Hi ho,
right, we are going to take you back to the island of Hawaii, and we're going to bring out the remainder of that class. This is the beginner and intermediate class. They go by the Whenua or Moana class, which means the ocean and the land. Giving you Ka'uluwehi o ke kai. Take it away. We have already taken you to 3 islands within the Pacific. We are in the island of Hawaii. We started in Tahiti. We took a pit stop in Samoa. And we're so excited to be able to bring to you the Polynesian culture here in the Central Valley. Back up is our boys for their hula. Kule, can you raise your hand? This is our lead instructor for our kane, both little and our adult boys. So here we go with their hula. Take it away.
Shall we dance to the ipu heke? Shall we move to the beat of the drum? Exciting motion, weave a spell of devotion. The swish and the sway of the hula yeah. Shall we shall we move to the steel guitar? Want to feel the enchantment of the Kuma hula's dance? You'll be touched by it like a hula hula maye. Shall we dance to the ipu heke? Shall we move to the beat of the drum? Exciting motion, weave a spell of devotion. And the swish and the sway of the hula yeah. Shall we shall we move to the steel guitar? Want to feel the enchantment of the Kuma hula's dance? You'll be touched by it like a hula hula maye. You'll be touched by it like a hula hula maye. You'll be touched by it like a hula hula maye. Hula maye. Hula maye. Hula maye.
All right, we're gonna take you back to the beautiful islands of Tahiti, sharing with you a new costume. The entire Whenua Moana class is gonna be coming out to share with you their second to last dance for today. Don't they look beautiful? Can I get a round of applause? My favorite thing about having a studio is that we have a place of all ages, all different backgrounds. You saw our children all the way to our adults, our teenagers are on stage today. So we're so proud of everybody for having the courage to come out here and share the Polynesian culture with all of you. How does that sound? Everyone good out there? All right, we need your help. Let's get some loud cheers with Otea Whenua Mua. Samoan here in California to be sharing our cultures with you here in the Central Valley. Whether that's in the audience or even in our dance classes, our studio is open to anyone and everyone. You do not have to be Polynesian to enjoy and celebrate and perpetuate our culture. Today has a mix of cultures in our group, and that's something that I take great pride in. So great job to our dancers. We're gonna move on to our soloists. Go ahead, girls, go ahead and enter the stage. So Fale Polynesia does weekly classes, local and private shows, as well as Ori Tahiti competitions, Tahitian dance competitions. These beautiful dancers on the stage are gonna share with you a freestyle solo. So they have no idea what music is coming to them. On the competition floor, they're judged on their execution of movements, their rhythm, and their costumes. I want to give a special shout out to both of these dancers. In the blue, Antonia, can you raise your hand? Antonia is one of our first members of Fale, as well as a flight attendant, and she makes the sacrifices of flying around the world wherever she's got to go and then come back to class weekly to do our shows, to do our competitions and everything. Over there on the white, Angelita drives from Stockton either once or twice a week to come to class here in Fresno. So all the sacrifices it takes for our dancers to make it out here today is something I don't take for granted. So give these dancers a round of applause. Imwa! Coming up to the stage is 3 of our high schoolers. These sweet girls are in the advanced category in the Ori Tahiti competition division. They're going to be sharing with you their freestyle. Let's give it up for our 3 soloists, Grace, Faith, and Alohi. Give it up for these beautiful dancers! Well done, girls. right, we are near the end of our show. We hope that you've enjoyed it so far. In case you didn't catch who we are, our name is Fale Polynesia, which translates to the House of Polynesia. Within our school, we teach both music and dance, starting at the ages 5. And we have our classes Monday through Thursday. So if you are interested in taking any classes with us, you can find one of us and we're happy to share that information with you. But nonetheless, you can go on Google and find us at Fale Polynesia. We are located on 1st and Gettysburg in the Fresno Ag Shopping Center. But before we go, we want to share just 2 more dances with you. So let's give it up for our Vahine one more time with E Vahine Ma Ohiye. We have now reached the end of our show. We had such a beautiful afternoon here in Clovis with you. Thank you to everybody that gave their cheers and their love to all of our dancers. We will be here again next year, of course, but for now, we're gonna leave you with one more ote'a. We are Fale Polynesia. You can find us on 1st in Gettysburg or falepolynesia.com, Fale Polynesia on Instagram, on Facebook, all the goods. We hope you enjoyed our show. Mua!